Charlie, give him this thing. Give him this thing.
Is it nappy time?
Give him this thing. Oh.
Clump your head into the floor. Yeah. You need to take a nap.
Pretty soon. Here, you want your thingy? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, my goodness. Where's your thing? Slow down. Slow down, Charlie. Where are you going? My goodness. Well, now you're quiet. You're going to look at your book? Huh? You're going to look at your book? Going to show Grandpa your book? Show Grandpa. Oh, showing Grandma. Alright. Gonna give Grandpa your book?
Yeah?
Go show Grandpa your book.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, he's clicking. There's blueberries.
Blueberries.
Yeah, we like blueberries. What else do you see?
Rolaids.
Rolaids?
Recall.
There you go.